It's an all too familiar scenario. You get your car fixed and something just doesn't seem right.
When we were sitting out in front of the body shop, you could see like the bumper, the back bumper, it's just a little thin flap. It was loose, you know.
The airbag sensor would come on and off.
Each time I would go over a pothole, a bump in the road, obvious metal on metal, clinking sound noise.
They found places where it wasn't welded correctly, it wasn't welded enough in some places, it was welded too much in some places.
Throughout the United States, drivers, repair facilities, and consumer advocates have seen an increasing trend toward the use of inferior imitation replacement parts and unsafe repairs.
We help customers in this situation on a regular basis, and really the worst part is they're the lucky ones. Most people don't know where to go, so they never have their car inspected, and they end up driving around in a car that's unsafe or unknowingly selling that unsafe car to someone else.
In the wake of a lawsuit brought by the Attorney General of Louisiana over similar issues, the Oklahoma Attorney General has issued a warning to consumers that insurance companies are making dishonest statements to their policyholders in order to coerce or steer them to repair shops that make substandard repairs.
We're currently in the process of providing our Attorney General's office here in North Carolina with documentation of numerous complaints in which consumers found that not only were they cheated out of proper repairs, but their families were put back on the road in vehicles that were unsafe and wouldn't protect them in another collision.
We were trusting them with our lives because a vehicle is something, you know, that people get killed in every day. And we put our lives in their hands by allowing them to repair our vehicle. It just makes me mad that we have to suffer all of this because of somebody else's carelessness.
The only way consumers are going to be able to put a stop to this epidemic of unsafe repairs is to take action. Have you ever had your car repaired and found that improper repairs were performed? Have you ever been pressured into repairing your vehicle with imitation parts? Have you ever been coerced by your insurance company to choose a shop in their preferred network? If so, the North Carolina Attorney General's office wants to hear from you. If you've been a victim of any of these kinds of deceptive trade practices, contact K&M Collision and we can assist you with filing a formal complaint, or you can contact the Attorney General's office directly.
Well, what people will have to realize is that if your car has been repaired, it's your right to have that vehicle returned to its pre-accident condition. You don't have to accept shoddy or unsafe work. And ultimately, your state attorney general's offices and shops like ours, who are not part of the insurance company's referral networks, are all here to help you through that process.